Let me show you how to install Claude Code even if you're a non-technical person. I'm not technical, but I just built a mini app that generates product descriptions in bulk for an e-commerce website. Firstly, open up Claude. You do need a pro plan to access Claude Code. If you don't have it, you can click on the profile icon in the bottom left, then click upgrade plan. The pro plan is around $20 a month and the max plan is $90 a month. If you're testing the waters, then just go with the pro plan. Now, an easy way to use Claude Code is with the Claude Desktop app. You can download it by clicking the apps and extensions button. In the middle, you'll see various ways to install Claude Code. If you're a beginner like me, then just go for the desktop app. Now, it's not all smooth sailing, as you'll see. I tried to download it, but I kept getting this error message. Your PC doesn't have an app to open this link. It's pretty annoying, so I went to Claude Docs, and on the getting started page there was another download link. Luckily that one worked, happy days. I did install this smoothly on another laptop. Now when I try to install it for a video, typically I get errors. Anyway, once done, it will then prompt you to sign in. You now have Claude Desktop, but wait, there's more. You'll see this familiar chat interface. You need to click on code at the top and it will ask you to download Git for Windows. I just followed the instructions and installed it with the recommended settings. If you're technical, you can customize this install. Once that's installed, restart the Claude Desktop app and you can now start making stuff with Claude Code. My plan is to make a local video editor using Claude Code and Remotion because video editing sucks, and why is it so hard to add audio to motion? My video editor will have motions and transitions with built-in sounds. That's the plan anyway, you just plug it in. Like, save and follow if you want to see how that pans out.